Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of the CXO by Nightingale, so you know what it looks like when it arrives. Are you looking for a new office chair? BTOD TV is your source for everything office. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Before we begin the unboxing and assembly of the CXO by Nightingale, this is how your chair will arrive if you ordered from an authorized dealer. If you choose to buy it from a third party, such as Amazon or eBay, the chair may arrive completely different. The chair does arrive in a large box that weighs about 85 pounds, so you may need help moving it around your office or workspace. Let's get into the unboxing. Once you have the seat in the upright position, you're going to want to use the seat height paddle to move the seat up and down to get the gas cylinder working. And then the chair is ready to be used. If you have the headrest attachment for the CXO, you're going to want to line it up on the back. And first, using your longer screw, put it in the top, and then use either a Phillips screwdriver or a square head screwdriver to lightly tighten it, and then use your smaller screw for the bottom. Once those are fully tightened, put the nameplate on the back, and you're ready to go. And that was the unboxing and assembly for the CXO by Nightingale. Thanks for watching.